Welcome, in front of me is a ThinkPhone by Motorola, and today I will show you how we can put this device into safe mode. So to get started, pull down your notifications, extend the list, and you will see the power button right here. Click on it, and from there you want to hold power off. This will then change into reboot to safe mode, so confirm it by tapping on OK. And wait for the device to boot back up. Now while it's rebooting, I'm going to quickly go into what this mode is for. So starting off in safe mode, all your downloaded apps will be temporarily disabled. So anything that you have downloaded, and not even that, some apps that come preloaded with the device also will be disabled, and that is so you can troubleshoot your device. So maybe you created some kind of app as a developer, and that app is completely messing up the usability of your device, just a bug or something, and you can't get rid of it. Booting your device into safe mode will completely terminate that app, and it will not be able to run or affect the phone in any kind of way right now. So you could just find it here and get rid of it. Now, quickly looking for apps that we can't use. I actually don't see any. I mean, obviously you can see widgets don't work, but surprisingly enough, a Moto app works here. This is relatively stock Android, but I was expecting to actually find a couple apps that wouldn't work here, but it looks like Motorola went out of their way to make their apps actually not be affected by safe mode. So as you can see, all the things like the Moto Secure and other Motorola apps are all here and all functional. So you can simply open them up. If you see some kind of apps that you can't open, they will be grayed out, and when you try to open them, you will get a pop-up at the bottom that downloaded apps are disabled in safe mode. Now once you're done with this mode and you want to go back to normal one, simply find your power button once more and select restart. Once the device boots back up, it will go back automatically to normal mode. And with this being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.